In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Otter.ai app. By the end, you'll have the Otter voice transcription app installed on your Android device and be ready to sign in. First, make sure your phone is connected to the internet and has a little free storage space. Then open the Google Play Store. You'll find it on your home screen, dock, or in the app drawer. Once the store is open, tap the search bar at the top and type Otter.ai. Take your time with the results. There may be similar looking apps, so you want the official one. You're looking for the listing developed by Otter.ai. Checking the developer name is the quickest way to confirm you're about to install the genuine app. You can also glance at the star rating and reviews for extra peace of mind. When you've found the official app, tap Install. If you're on mobile data, consider switching to Wi-Fi so the download is faster and doesn't use up your data plan. You'll see a progress indicator as Android downloads and installs the app. If the button changes to open, you're good to go. Tap open to launch Otter right away, or find the new icon in your app drawer later. On first launch, Otter may show a brief introduction and ask for a few permissions. Because it transcribes speech, it may request access to your microphone and optionally your files for saving recordings. Granting these makes the app work as intended, but you can always review permissions later in your device settings if you prefer. Now it's time to sign in. On the welcome screen, you'll see options to continue with Google, Microsoft, Apple, or with an email address. Choose the sign-in method you're most comfortable with. Using an existing account can be the quickest path since it pre-fills your details and helps with password recovery later. Follow the on-screen prompts, and if your device asks you to confirm your identity like a fingerprint or a code, approve that to finish securely. That's it. You've searched for Otter.ai in the Google Play Store, chosen the official app, installed it, opened it, and signed in using the method that suits you. As a quick tip, consider moving the Otter icon to your home screen so it's easy to find before meetings or lectures. And if you ever need to adjust permissions, you can revisit them in Settings under Apps. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new Otter.ai app.